Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the goals which you can find inside the Appraisal app of Odoo 18. So here in the Appraisal, managers has the ability to set goals for each of employees. Okay, why are they setting such goals? So that the employees will get an idea about where to work more in their next review. Okay, so your goals can easily be set inside the Appraisal app. So let me show you how it's done. So yeah, let's move on to the video. So we were talking about goals in Odoo appraisals. So let's see how a goal has been set. So first you have to navigate to the appraisal module. So this is the appraisal. And here in the appraisal, you can see goals. So click on goals. You can see this has been folded. If you expand it, based on different people, that is the employees, you can see the goals. Okay. So to create a new goal, you have to click on new button here. So this is the goal creation form where you have to specify the name of the goal. So I'm giving that name in the example itself, improve your English. Okay. And here you can choose the employee. So select the employee. By default, the current user will be chosen. I'm choosing it to Beth Evans. Okay. And the progress. You can see, you can set the initial progress. You can right now set the stage where you are standing, okay, at the moment. So it can be 25, it can be 50. So your goal is to make it to 100, right? So you can select the initial progress over here. Okay, so I'm putting it to 50. And then you have a deadline for it. So you have to set the deadline for achieving the goal. I am setting the deadline to 28th of the month. And here you have tags where you can add relevant tags. Okay, so you can add it like any external or hard skill, internal programming, soft skill, whatever it is, you can add it. Okay, I'm putting it as an external skill. And then you have an option to add a detailed description of the goal. So I'm putting the goal is to improve my English. So that's the goal. Okay. So a goal has been set. Once you're done, you can save it. Okay. So this is a goal which you have created right now. If you go back to goals, you can see Beth Evans is added, and under Beth Evans, one goal has been created and the progress can be seen here. So if you expand others also, the progress percentage can be seen there. Now, how is this goals viewed? Okay. So for that, what you have to do is go to the appraisal. So this is the dashboard here. Okay. So here in the dashboard, you can view all the goals in Kanban view, which is grouped by company, department and status. So not here, I'm going back here. Here you can see this is the list view. If you go to this dashboard, you have the Kanban view. Now here in the Kanban view, you can see the different goals set under different employees. Okay, so in each card, you have the goal name, the employee name. If there is any tags, that will also be there. The activity icon will be there. The deadline is shown here. And then you can see the progress percentage as well as the employee icon. So if it's done, if a goal is completed, you can see a done label here for this transcripts, right? So this is how it looks like once you complete a goal. Okay, so marking goals as complete can be done from the dashboard. So you can hover over the card and click the vertical ellipsis, which is here. Okay, so from here, you can simply choose mark as done. So this will be done. Or even from the, if you go back here, like I'm choosing this one. Okay, so even if from the goal form, if you open that, you can see mark is done. From here, if you click on that, this will be labeled as done. Okay, so each employee requires a separate goal record even for shared goals. So completed goals are marked with a done banner. Okay, so this is how easily you can set goals in Odoo 18's appraisal module. Okay, so that's how easily you can set the goals in the appraisal app. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.